Hello everyone. Today we will see a great saint, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a Roman Catholic nun who devoted her life to serving the poor and destitute around the world. She was born in 1910 in Skopje, the capital of the Republic of Macedonia. At the age of 18, she was given permission to join a group of nuns in Trailand. After a few months of training with the Sisters of Loreto, she was then given permission to travel to India. On her arrival in India, she began by working as a teacher. However, the widespread poverty of Calcutta made a deep impression on her, and this led to her starting a new order called the Missionaries of Charity. Mother Teresa felt that serving others was a fundamental principle of the teachings of Jesus Christ. She often mentioned the saying of Jesus, "Whatever you do, the least of my brethren, you do it to me." She chose to wear a white Indian sari with a blue border, out of respect for the traditional Indian dress. In 1952, she opened her first home for the dying, which allowed people to die with dignity. Her work spread around the world by 2013. There were 700 missions operating in over 130 countries. She often said that not all of us can do great things. Not all of us can do great things, but we do small things with great love. In 1979, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which also constitutes a threat to peace. Until her last breath, she was working with great passion. She was a living saint who offered a great example and inspiration to the world. Salute to such a great and holy soul.